How to play music in Discord mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can play music in Discord mobile. So if you're wondering how you can do those, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to play music in Discord mobile. So first of all, you need to add a bot into your server. For that, you may just go ahead and type in Groovy bot or similar kind of bot with, that allows to play music in Discord mobile. For that, you can directly type in Groovy bot in your browser and it will, ask you to type in your login details and the bot will directly be added into your server. After the bot is added, you can head over to the server where the bot is added. After that, you're going to type in the prompts, like for example, #play music. So I have this play in music. For that, you need to type in a music, for example, play date. After that, go ahead and send it. And it will start sending a command and it will start to play your music if that application responds in your device, and follow the on-screen prompts, play and those kind of things, and you should be able to play your music. And that is it. These are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to play music in Discord mobile. And you should be able to play music in Discord mobile if it supports your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.